mga kadisik, this is John again from Johndam District at bago ka ba sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So guys, for today's video, yung mga recent video ko is more on application. Pero ngayon guys, i-share ko naman sa inyo yung top 4 na website or application na pwede kayo mag-take ng mga online jobs. So guys, ang kinaganda dito, flexible to and you can use your phone only and then you can complete the task at kikita ka na. And of course, huwag na natin patagalin pa, umpisahan na natin. And by the way guys, yung last na website na babanggitin ko dito is yung favorite ko kasi this is the best for Filipino na naghahanap ng mga online job, freelancing job, or something na related sa Filipino and Tagalog to guys. So sigurado ako mag-enjoy kayong gamitin to or gawin yung mga task dito. So guys, ang unang application or website natin kung saan pwede kayo mag-apply ng mga micro-task is actually ang clickworker.com, or you can just check it on the website or on the App Store and Play Store. Search nyo lang yung Clickworker. So kailangan nyo lang mag-create ng account dito and then maraming jobs na available na pwede nyong i-take. After that guys, limbawa may na-accept na kayong job, pwede kayo mag-work offline. Kaya ang kinaganda dito, kahit nasan kayo, pwede kayong mag-work at matapos yung specific task. Meron kasing task guys na merong longer yung waiting nila to complete the task. So may time na it will take 2 days para to complete the task. Ganyan, okay lang sa kanila yon basta masubmit mo lang yung task. And then, ang kinaganda dito guys sa Clickworker application, may notification kung magkano na yung balance mo, tsaka yung payable din. And of course, never miss a job kasi nga guys, itong widget na to is if ever na may available na job, then you can actually just take it para makikita nyo agad just sa notification nyo. Tapos sa account balance, available to sa mismong application guys. Madaling i-access yung application nila, user-friendly, and may kita nyo yung balance doon and payable. And also, ang requirements nyo lang dito guys is iPhone or iPad with iOS 13 and up, and Android device with Android 5.0 and up. Next naman natin guys na website ay walang iba kundi ang OneForma.com. So ang kailangan nyo lang dito guys is create a profile to find more impactful project, find project that shape your field, get certified and keep growing. Guys, kapag nakapag-sign up na kayo dito, make sure to take yung mga skills or training na available. That will be very helpful. And then after that, earn easily without the headache. So, ayan guys, napakaganda ng ng website na to. Tapos, click nyo lang yung open projects dito guys. Pwede kayong kumita at ang mga task nyo lang is annotation, transcription, annotation, judging, data collection, at marami pang iba. So, hindi na natin guys i-discuss kung ano pa yung mga available dito. Pero guys, you can just easily search it kung available yung isang specific task para sa inyong bansa or region. By the way guys, mga flexible nga pala yung mga tasks dito na madalas. Kaya hawak-hawak nyo yung oras nyo para mag-earn kayo dito. So guys, the more na project kayong matitake, syempre the more na earnings na makukuha ninyo. Okay guys, so yung next website nga pala natin ay walang iba kundi ang test.io. So you can work from anywhere, then test the latest application, depende sa task na makukuha nyo, and then earn extra money, and lastly, expand your mind. So guys, meron silang testing academy dito na you can take, yung mga trainings nila. It's very helpful. It will help you to become one of the best tester ng mga applications dito. So by the way guys, kung magla-login kayo or magkikreate kayo ng account dito, kailangan nyo lang pumunta sa website, then become a tester, and then sign up. So the registration process actually may 5 testing page to. So the first one is kailangan yung mag-register using this website. I will put the registration link sa ating video description para mas madali nyo nang magawa. So onboarding, so after you approve, get on board through our library of testing resources. And then after that guys, you can start testing and earning. You will receive an invitation first test and will get paid from your first accepted bug or reproduction. Then build your testing credential. Get more invitation to test based on your device's skills and interests while you continuously to learn. And lastly, become a great tester. So keep testing the latest and greatest apps you will enjoy. And ganun lang guys kadali dito. So napaka very helpful ng website na to. By the way guys, available din ito sa mga Play Store or App Store, so you can download the application. Okay guys, ang next naman natin ay walang iba kundi ang Train AI at ang website is rtws.com. Ilalagay ko na lang din guys sa video description yung website para mas ma-easy access nyo na lang to. So guys, ang kailangan nyo gawin dito guys is this is available for freelancer, remote, part-time, work from home jobs to help train AI. So dito guys, no experience required, flexible ang work schedule, fair pay, ongoing skill development. So meron silang mga training guys na you can take, and then their support is very responsive guys. So by the way guys, ang opportunities na pwede ninyong i-take dito is online online rater. So rate, provide feedback or perform assessment in accordance with specific criteria on text, audio, image, or video data for use in a broad range of AI application. So data collector, and then data annotator, search engine evaluator, ad evaluator, project specific opportunities, and more. So guys, again, yung mga available na task na pwede nyong i-complete dito using Train AI. Napakadali lang guys, or napakaganda ng website na ito guys para sa mga freelancer. Again, no experience is required dito. So you can just register. Again, I'll put the link sa video description para mas madali nyong ma-access. Next website naman natin guys, this is last but not the least pero isa sa pinakamagandang website para sa mga Filipino. So ito guys ay walang iba kundi ang Outlier. So Tagalog speakers earn up to $7.50 shaping the future of AI voice conversation. So you can just click apply on the website and then para makapag-register kayo. So guys, ang kinaganda dito, you can earn up to $7.50 plus additional incentives. You can get paid weekly via PayPal or AirTM. And then this is guys a remote task. So choose your own schedule, and then Tagalog proficiency is really required. So guys, ang ideal qualification lang naman dito is native or highly fluent Tagalog speaker, comfortable with natural everyday conversational speech, experience with improvisation, role play, or unscripted performance, customer-facing experience where you regularly handle unscripted conversation, experience evaluating or reviewing conversation calls or audit. So guys, what you will be doing is participating in live scenario-based conversation in Tagalog with an AI voice model, laying out a natural realistic exchange, then listening to and reviewing recorded Tagalog language conversation between a speaker and an AI model. Lastly is scoring conversation across dimensions like naturalness, helpfulness, and audio quality, then explaining your ratings detail. So guys, your common task is ganyan lang. You will given 2 responses to a question and your task will be choose the correct answer. And then after that, write a prompt. Then after that guys, yung compensation and benefits, again, you can earn up to $7.50 dito plus additional incentives depende to sa task na makukompete nyo. You can join a global community language expert. And again, ang kinaganda dito guys is flex schedule and time commitment to guys. So there's no contract as well. Nasa sayo kung kailan mo i-finish yung task. And then there's a free access to model playground. So this is actually very helpful guys. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, kung may kakilala kayo na mahilig sa mga freelance task, you can visit this website so that you can start earning money as well. And that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. If you have any comment, suggestion, please comment down below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!